Have you ever wondered how much artificial intelligence will change our lives in the future? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become the buzzword of the 21st century, promising a future where machines can think, learn, and adapt just like humans. But what does this really mean for us, and how will it affect our society? Imagine a world where your car drives you to work, your fridge orders groceries when you're running low, and your personal assistant is a computer program that knows your schedule better than you do. That's the world AI is creating. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Along with these conveniences come a host of ethical questions and potential drawbacks. Let's start with the ethical implications. AI systems, by their very nature, make decisions based on data. But who decides what data is used and how it's interpreted? And what about privacy? With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of personal data, how do we ensure that our privacy is protected? Then there's the issue of jobs. It's no secret that AI has the potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans. While this could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises the question of what will happen to those whose jobs are automated. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to bring about significant benefits. It could revolutionize healthcare, making diagnoses more accurate and treatments more personalized. It could help us tackle climate change by optimizing energy use and helping us understand and predict weather patterns. It could even help us explore the universe, with AI-powered robots exploring distant planets. Of course, these are just possibilities. The true impact of AI will depend on how we choose to use it and how we manage its development. The journey of AI from being a concept to a reality and its potential future is nothing short of fascinating. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of AI, exploring its evolution, its current state, and its potential future. Let's dive into the fascinating timeline of AI's evolution. Our journey starts in the mid-20th century, when British mathematician and logician Alan Turing asked a simple but profound question: can machines think? This inquiry marked the dawn of AI, leading to the creation of the Turing test, a method to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. In the 1950s and 60s, the first AI programs were developed, capable of playing checkers and solving word problems, a groundbreaking achievement for that era. However, AI's winter was just around the corner. Despite the initial excitement, progress slowed significantly due to a lack of computational power and understanding of complex human cognition. The resurgence of AI came in the 1980s with the advent of expert systems, machines capable of emulating the decision-making abilities of a human expert. The 90s then saw the rise of machine learning, where computers began learning from data without being explicitly programmed. The 21st century heralded the era of big data, and AI took a giant leap forward. Deep learning and neural networks started to mirror the human brain structure, processing vast amounts of data to recognize patterns and make predictions. Significant milestones were achieved, like IBM's Deep Blue defeating the world chess champion and Google's AlphaGo triumphing over the world's best Go player. In the last decade, we have seen AI becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from recommendation engines on streaming platforms to virtual assistants in our homes. AI's capabilities have skyrocketed, with advancements in natural language processing, image recognition, and autonomous vehicles. From its humble beginnings, AI has come a long way, but the journey is far from over. AI continues to evolve, and its potential is limitless. The evolution of AI is not just a timeline of technological advancements, but a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we move forward, we can only imagine what the next chapters in AI's evolution will bring. AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here. It's now. Imagine waking up to a world where artificial intelligence is as commonplace as your morning cup of coffee. That's the reality we're living in today. AI has permeated every sector, from healthcare and finance to transportation, and it's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. Let's take healthcare, for instance. AI is now able to analyze vast amounts of data to predict health trends, detect diseases early on, and even assist in surgery. It's like having a superhuman doctor on call 24/7. In finance, AI is being used to analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and automate trading. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of the market. And let's not forget transportation. AI is at the heart of self-driving cars and drones, making our roads safer and our deliveries faster. It's like having a personal chauffeur and courier at your service round the clock. But AI is not just about big industries. It's also about the little things that make our lives easier. Think about your smartphone predicting your next word as you type, or your smart home system adjusting the temperature based on your preferences. That's AI at work too. AI is also playing a crucial role in data analysis and predictive modeling. It's able to sift through mountains of data, spot trends, and make predictions with an accuracy that's simply mind-boggling. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket. And let's not forget automation. From manufacturing to customer service, AI is automating tasks that used to require human intervention, freeing up time for us to focus on more complex and creative tasks. In short, AI is transforming our world in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. It's making our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our world a better place. AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. As we look towards the horizon, what does the future hold for AI? The future of artificial intelligence is not simply a chapter waiting to be written. It's a story that we are all actively creating. In this tale, AI is the protagonist that promises to revolutionize our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. In the realm of technology, AI is expected to advance at an astonishing pace. Machine learning algorithms are becoming more sophisticated, capable of learning from data without explicit programming. These systems are evolving to understand, learn, predict, and potentially function autonomously. This could lead to innovations that were once the stuff of science fiction, like self-healing networks or machines that can invent new technologies. The potential applications of AI are limitless. From healthcare to agriculture, from transportation to entertainment, AI could redefine how we live, work, and play. Imagine AI-powered personal assistants that know us better than we know ourselves, capable of anticipating our needs and making our lives more convenient. Or consider AI-driven healthcare systems that can diagnose diseases even before symptoms appear, revolutionizing preventive care. The future of work is also being shaped by AI. Robots and AI systems could take over routine tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative, complex problem-solving activities. In education, AI could offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. This could transform our education system, making it more efficient and inclusive. But it's not just about technology, it's about society too. AI has the potential to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to global poverty. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI could help us make more informed decisions and develop more effective solutions. However, the future of AI also comes with challenges. Ethical considerations, privacy issues, and the potential for job displacement are all valid concerns that need to be addressed. It's crucial that as we advance, we do so responsibly, ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. The future of AI is as exciting as it is unpredictable. We are on the brink of a new era, an era where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner in our progress. Let's embrace this future, for in it lies the potential to reshape our world for the better. We've explored the past, present, and potential future of AI, but what does all this mean for us? We've journeyed from the early days of AI, where the concept was merely a speculative theory, to the present day where AI is an integral part of our daily existence. We've seen how AI has evolved from a purely academic pursuit to a technology that is deeply woven into our society and economy. In our exploration, we've touched on the various ways AI has transformed industries, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment, and the profound ways it's changed our lives. We've also peered into the future, exploring the tantalizing possibilities and potential challenges that lie ahead as AI continues to develop and mature. But all these discussions lead us to a crucial question. What does the evolution and potential future of AI mean for us? The implications of AI development are vast and varied. On one hand, AI holds the promise of solving some of our most complex problems, from curing diseases to combating climate change. On the other hand, it presents new challenges and ethical dilemmas, from job displacement to privacy concerns. As we stand at this crossroad, it's important for us to remain informed and engaged. We need to understand the technology that's increasingly shaping our world and our lives. We need to be part of the conversation about how it's developed and used. And most importantly, we need to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. The journey of AI is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. And as we move forward, it's crucial that we do so with a sense of responsibility and foresight, understanding that the decisions we make today will shape the AI landscape of tomorrow. As we continue to navigate the AI revolution, one thing is clear. The only limit to AI's potential is our imagination.